Hey sweeties, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a luxury set today with a definitely affordable price, so stay tuned. Okay, first things first, Madam Glam sent over these beautiful polishes. They are from their new House of Nourish collection. They are vegan free, 21 free, and palm oil free. So I really like that, so it won't damage your nails. They don't have any of the harmful chemicals in their polishes, which is great. Now the collection does come with 8 new polish colors, but I chose 4, and these are the 4. So the first one here, we have Shining Star, and this is a beautiful green color, and it does have like gold and dark blue and white sparkles in it. It's super pretty, and it's chunky glitter, but it's not giving off that chunky glitter feel when I polish. It's still very smooth, and it just glides on the nail perfectly. So I'm going to be swatching each color that I chose out of the 8 and just showing y'all how they look on an actual nail. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds and move on to the next color. The next color we have Glimpse of Light, and this is so pretty. It's white with gold and blue glitter as well, just like the previous one, but this is super pretty, and I wanted to use this color, but I didn't have any other matching colors to go with it. I didn't want to have all glitter nails, but I did want to incorporate this color. So we will definitely be using this color pretty soon in the future. I just have to find something that would match like a base color for all of the other nails. This color I would use as like an accent for a set, but just like the previous one, it glides on very well. Chunky glitter, so you can see the glitters inside of the polish, and it's not too fine, but it still glides on the nail very smoothly. Now the next color is the color that I did end up choosing for today's set. It is called New Quest, and it is a very light turquoise. When I got done the set, my daughter, she kept saying, is that white or is like cream? My mom thought it was an off-white, but I did only do 2 coats. But to me, like as I'm looking at my nails right now doing this voiceover, it still look blue. I don't know what they were talking about. Maybe because of the lighting in the car or something. I'm not too sure. But it is definitely blue, and it's very pretty. So I decided to go ahead and use this color in today's set. So stay tuned when we get to the design part. But the next color, it looks purple, honestly, right now. This is called Divine Self. However, it is a grayish color, and it's super pretty. This is a pretty fall color, and fall is definitely approaching. So I definitely will be using this color sooner than later, just like the other one. But like I said, y'all, Madam Glam polishes, they are super smooth and buttery. I love the way it glides on the nail. Like I said in my last video, if you haven't checked that out, I do have a discount code. I will put that in the description box below. But yeah, y'all, consider trying out these polishes. So this is how it looks with 1 coat. So we're going to go ahead and make this set now. I'm using these full coverage nails that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to be incorporating this pink builder gel from Madam Glam as well. I got this with my last set of polishes, and I really love this. Now the nails that I'm using, they already have a pink pigmentation to it, like a base coat color, but I wanted it to be a shiny base instead of a matte. Even though I could have just put top coat on it, I just wanted to incorporate this as well. I really love this. If you are looking for like a really nude base where you could do like a simple French, this pink builder gel from Madam Glam is like top tier. So it is super thick, so that's why I'm just using a very thin layer. So the pink base that I already have is like the first layer, and this will be like the second coat. So I did cure that, and here I'm just showing you guys the color that I'm going to be using, the New Quest. As I did mention, they are new. So I'm just going in on 3 of the nails with a simple French. And y'all, when I tell y'all this index and the pinky, and then with the middle finger and the ring finger, I'm going to do a bling French. And y'all, this set came out so stinking cute. Like, it's simple but out there. And y'all know, if y'all go to the nail salon and get a bling nail or any type of stones on your nails, whether it's a full nail or a French nail, or even just like a little bit of stones on the nail, y'all know it's going to run y'all up in your pockets. So I feel like if you get this little container here, I got 2 sets of stones. I got one from Amazon and I got the other from Temu. And then I recently just found some stones from the dollar store. Yes, the dollar store. Make your own sets and please stop paying these people to do your nails. I understand y'all want to support small businesses, and a lot of people don't have time to go ahead and make their own nails. But if you could just find a cute little press on set and put it on, I'm all about saving a coin or two, 3 or 4. Honestly, y'all. So I'm just trying to put y'all on. But anyway, I'm making a smile line first. I feel like that is easier when it comes to making the French tip with the stones. So if you make the smile line first, you want to use like the smaller stones, and then the other portion where you want to fill it in, you can use the bigger size stones. I use 3 different sizes. I really don't know the number. the finished product, and then we could go ahead and apply them. I'm gonna take these nails that I have on off, and if y'all want a video on how I preserve my nails, because I do have a collection, but I save all of my nails, the ones that I make and the ones that I get from Temu. But yeah, y'all, that's super, super cute. I'm so hyped. I couldn't wait to put it on. But we're going to top coat it with Madam Glam's top coat polish. No white, super pretty, leaves your nails super shiny. And it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It just glides on like butter, just like with all of the other polishes. But I'm not putting any on the stones because y'all know it's already shining. I'm like, oh, we leaving today. We going on a trip to the Poconos, little family vacation for the week. So let me just do the other hand. So I did do the other hand off camera, and y'all, I'm happy I did. I'm happy I took my time and made the other set. But I do have a video on how I apply my press-ons and how I get them to last 2 weeks max. I'm sorry, minimum, like at least 2 weeks. Sometimes my nails do last 3 weeks, even a month. And when I say a month, I am being completely honest. Not with the KDS glue though, it's with a different kind of glue. So definitely go watch that video and y'all will know how I achieve some good looking affordable nails for a long time. Like, I know a lot of people don't want press-ons because of the longevity of them. My sister is one of them. She's like, when she saw this set, she was like, why don't you do my nails like that? And I'm like, I don't do acrylics yet. I'm still learning how to do acrylics, but you don't like press-ons because you feel as though they're going to pop off. A lot of people are scared that they're going to pop off. If they do, y'all, like, just glue it back on. Press-ons is something that is trending now. A lot of people are wearing them. A lot of people are saving money. I feel like press-ons have been trending since COVID. So if you're not afraid to wear them, put them on and save a coin or two. But if you want long-lasting press-ons, definitely go check out my video. I will link it down below. But I'm just filing off the little tabs, and we done, y'all. I'm going to show y'all the finished look after I put on